Kardom Nilimonjerong Pipi Pinibirta Arjuponitha Diphu Judicial Court along Legal Aid Clinic along a Kangpupon Diphu Judicial Court along Kiduk District Legal Service Authority Thihekpen DLSA along Legal Aid Clinic along a Justice N Kotiswar Singh Judge Guwahati High Court cum Executive Chairman Assam State Legal Service Authority Aridengpen Ingpupon Bangso along e Kangpupon along Legal Aid Clinic claim bang atum Karbi Anglong arat aphan than pachini onangji DLSA atum claim ponasai kachini ni atum dopik tahailang Munit atum ke kechokche doveklo penang atum ke ning oi memialam penta police case phonang ko Akejok tangka kawi penajok kachilang une aningkan tame hem kangsam chebeng nang ko atumta doolo kado kawi atum ke tangka ke joyver kali Kes doko gapi advocate chirinang kokpo advocate aphan tangka kipi move penajok kang dainai a kes pentame aningkan kes sepa judun e atumta do olang lasi meklangno pran ke en hei huipen abera kes anke legal aid clinic lapen DLSA atum kerap don aja kongdo lason thak thaksi o somar kenep kanghu hem mekecho langke thepena kisung kepho o somar aphan bansot kipi Arta ki jom hek soar lo atuma phan mek cholang no detpen au so phan kera phai hui aja kongta do anchota kali keduk det ahem to nalong ke so ke lang jia phan tangka kadure atuma phan antame langdun si rabdun nangji pusi Chief Justice N Kotiswar Singh pen pachini pon DLSA ke aprang penta dolo sitame Karbi Anglong arlo ke do arat atum kachini nederlo ne kopine kedamtang arni an ke laso avar sai kacho endona bang phubang phia phan arjudun long lelang Lasi Karbi Anglong arat atum nanglitum police case penchenglok kapre ka kisong ke boy do pulote Judicial Court along ke do DLSA sai hemalong humri damlote nanglitum akisong ke boy ke dorde phophe pen masap ke jokwan awar sai long ponji Legal Aid Clinic along e Kangpu along Manpeng alu hipen MD Abdul Hakim District and Session Judge cum Chairman DLSA Karbi Anglong Nayan Shankar Borua Member Secretary ASLSA Lapen Negup Ahmed Secretary DLSA Karbi Anglong Lapen Rita Kramsapiatum Chetongdun
In assistance, whether they have been involved in any case or they have been dragged into any case or they wish to take any help from the legal system. But as you know, legal system in this country is complicated, cumbersome, mysterious for the general public who are not well acquainted with the system. Legal aid clinic, which will be manned, which will be serviced by dedicated people like our paralegal volunteers, they will help you to solve any problem or advising in any manner by referring to legal aid lawyers. We have a dedicated team of legal aid lawyers who will give legal advice and also, if necessary, represent in the court by either as a plaintiff, complainant or as a defense accused without charging any fees. Any person who comes to legal aid clinic and is given legal assistance or aid will be given free of cost all the legal fees which will be required for filing cases or for any other matter, for engaging lawyer, legal lawyers fees etc. will be borne by the legal aid service authority of the district legal service authority of Karbi Anglong. One doesn't have to worry about it and they will advise you. So this legal aid clinic is a very important institution. An office has been opened in the district judiciary, in the county judiciary, and will of course we wish to open our legal aid clinic in many other areas also. It is not only for the judicial complex, but also it can be opened in our autonomous district council area also, where people who needs legal help, legal assistance. When we say legal assistance, please do not think only on the law courts. Legal assistance means to understand his rights, to get his rights. If a person, an illiterate person, if he is entitled to certain benefits under the scheme, for example, the poor woman, a widow, There are government schemes providing pension for old aged persons or widows, but they do not know. There is nobody to help them. They don't know how to, where to go. Who will advise them? They will go to office